Hello everyone. In this video, I'll demonstrate the Odoo website file upload module. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. Now let's see the practical implementation of this module in Odoo. Before that, you need to install the module. As you can see, the website file upload module has already been installed from the Apps menu. Now let's move to the backend. Open the sales. Here, you have to open orders, then quotations. Here, open any quotation. Here, you will find the attachment button. Clicking it displays all the files attached to this quotation. To add a new attachment manually, click on the New button. Enter the attachment name, choose the file type as URL or file, then upload your file. Then choose the website name if required and click on the Save button. This allows the administrator to manage the order attachments directly from the backend. Now let's see the front-end demonstration from the website menu. Open the Shop page, add any product to the cart, then go to the cart. Here you will notice the Add Attachment button after you go to the checkout. Click it, then select the required files or images from your system, press the Upload File button. The uploaded attachment is now linked with this order. You can also see the total number of uploaded files. Here, customers can preview all the uploaded files. A file can be removed instantly and another file can be uploaded without refreshing a page. This provides customers with complete flexibility before placing the order. Here, now verify this order from the backend. Open the sales, then you will see the quotation for which you had made the payment. Here you will find the Attachment button. Here you will see all the attachments associated with this order. The administrator can download, review, or upload additional files if required. This is how the Odoo website file upload module simplifies communication between customers and administrators by allowing file sharing directly during checkout. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching.